Hello, hi mabuhay bago ka pumanaw, mahaba pa ang buhay mga ka-barber, mga ka-sweet girl. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, totoo, I'm here now at nasa lungsod tayo. Ang sarap tumalon. I love the drama of nature ng Maynila, and it was so good having the Manila as well. It was the Ilog Pasig, and we're going to go to the bridge, yung bagong bridge na pinagawa ng Maynila. And so ayun, let's explore, let's enjoy. So ganun lang kasimple yung attack. At kung bago ka pa sa aking channel, you can hit the notification bell para update ka sa mga upcoming videos. And don't forget mga ka-barber to like, share, and subscribe. So ayun na nga, kung meron kayong mga drama, hinaing papahula, komento, libre bashers tayo. Just comment down below. So ayun na nga, papunta tayo sa bridge. How gonna great the bridge is, and let's see, this is it, Ilog Pasig, tapos yun lang pala siya. So this was the Chinese Binondo Bridge. Simple lang, tapos ito yung Ilog Pasig, ganyan. So nandito yung Intramuros. So let's explore the Philippines, the Manila as well. So tignan na natin yung bridge for the drama. Push yan. So, lumiwanag na ang buhay. So, this is it. This was the Chinese 8 Bridge project ng Binondo Intramuros. So, kagagawa lang ito. And, of course, being Filipino, you have to be proud on your nations. How they gonna improve their life as well. So, medyo bago ito. Kaya yung mga medyo maraming may mga tao. They have a lot of tripping out there. May mga nagbaboxing ganyan, may mga nagja-jogging, bonding with friends. Nakakatuwa lang yung bridge. Parang feeling ko gawa ba siya sa bato, parang bakal ata. And how amazing the bridge is. Ayan, may mga bikers dito, may mga siklista rin dito, may mga nag-bonding moment na mga friendship out there. They're gonna, either the lovers they have also. And it was so simple bridge lang, kaso nga bago. So, alam mo naman ang Pilipina, medyo ano tayo. Hello, hi, mabuhay. So, ayun, marami nag-i-stop dito, tapos nagpi-picture taking sila. They're gonna do something like tambayan. Tapos nakakatuwa lang kasi bago siyang atraksyon ng Maynila. And it was so simple bridge. Again, gawa talaga siya sa bakal. Hindi ko na alam, gusto ko sana siyang hawakan, pero sa laki ng mata ko siguro naman ramdam ko na yung ginamit na mga bagay dito, no? So again, it was made by bakal o acero, I don't know, parang may pagkaano rin ito, yung aluminum, yung ganon, yung hindi kinakalawang kahit umuulan. Again, it was the Binondo Bridge. It was new. Ganyan lang siya ka-simple. And I have a lot of friends of Facebook that they're liking or doing their profile picture out there. So, ganun lang. Hello, hi, mabuhay. Ang daming mga nagbabonding. Mga tropa, yes. And family, of course. Ganun lang yung mga emote nila, parang emoji lang o kaya parang like, share na lang ang drama. So being Filipino, I was so proud. Being Manileño, ang sweet girl lang Tondo, of course, was loving the bridge. Kasi normal lang naman siya. So ganyan lang yung bridge. So ito ay daanan papuntang Intramuros. So ayun, kung manggagaling ka ng Intramuros, papunta ka ng mga parang Binondo, ganon, this was the easiest way. Again, parang hindi yata siya gawa ng gobyerno, proyekto yata siya ng kasamahan ng Binondo for our Chinese community. Yala yala, ni hao. So, ganun lang kasimple yung bridge. Pakit din, ang daming mga guwapo. Bless! So, ayun lang. It was Manila. It was a new color. It was brand new color about our nation. Aliw lang. So, let's enjoy lang our life to the fullest. Yun lang naman din yung mga gawa natin to be productive in life. So, happy lang, walang ending. Pwede namang mag-ano rito. Pwede namang huminto yung mga sasakyan or yung mga motor nyo. Kung gusto nyo mayon nga, mag-picture taking. And it was so pleasant having here. Medyo maganda yung ambience and yung aura. It was so relaxing. Kasi yung momentum dito na parang tambayang saglit lang napadaan ka lang. And syempre, ayan ang ilog Pasig natin. Medyo hindi na mabantot ang ilog Pasig natin. Kaya pangalagaan pa natin ang ating ilog Pasig dahil isa yan sa mga nag-unang daanan natin ng mga kalakal nung panahon ng Balangay. Wow, nandito. And proud naman sa Pasig River this time. Talagang wala na akong naamoy na malansa o masangsang. And parang lumilinis na siya. Hindi na ganun kaitim yung kulay ng tubig. And ano na siya. Happy naman for the clean living, for being Philippine. And ayun na nga. Thankful being a God creation. And hello, hi mabuhay. Ang daming mga tao. They are the... Ayan, kung sakali, ito yung bridge. This was the end ng bridge. Ayan, kung sawa ka na sa buhay mo, may tubig, pili ka o bato. So, yes. Pakak! So, ayun na nga, for the kimikera, ang sweet girl lang. Tanda niya, I'm now on Timog. And, kaya pasweet-pusit lang tayo. And I'm with my Madam Anthony Espera. Thank you so much. Kimikera. Yeah. So love and so, mapiwalayala. Masalam. Assalamualaikum, salam. Siya, Tosia, Kansa Hamida. Tia, yala. Daghang salamat. Todo riba. Kalas, yala.